So how long have you guys been on the same team for IA here?
Since the beginning of 2024.
Okay.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
I
the
concur.
Start of 2024. I concur.
Hi, I'm Carrie Smith. I am a consultant in the intelligent automation space, and I have been here for almost a year.
My name is Minh. I've been with the company since January of 2024, and I'm a solution architect for intelligent automation.
I'm Jeff Springer. I've been here since October of 2020. One of my focuses here is in the intelligent automation practice and working with customers across the data analytics lifecycle, data management, data strategy, automation, AI.
I got into intelligent automation in a roundabout sort of way. I attended a boot camp and was recruited coming out of that boot camp to work for a consulting firm in the automation space. I enjoy the challenge. It is kind of like putting together a puzzle all day. I enjoy figuring out how to solve an organization's problems. The result is improved experience for the employees and typically improved experience for their clients or their customers. How's it going, Minh?
Oh, fantastic. Now that I'm here.
Okay. You tell me Carrie's biggest strengths.
Even though we share a lot of similarities in our background, where we came from, one of her biggest strengths is something that she's very different from me on is she's very detail-oriented and fastidious with just making sure the little things are right. And that's what automation programs are built on. Well, I originally started on the business side, working for a healthcare organization out of Indianapolis, and they had an opening to start working with this new platform called Blue Prism. And that was about 8 years ago. And I joined and really loved the idea of being able to remove the headache from the processes that our people did day in and day out. I saw them where I worked. I saw how they affected other people. And I saw that it really could bring people to come to love their jobs again.
So yeah, Minh brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table here. He has operated projects that are building out centers of excellence and massive governance structures, down to being able to manage a project, a development project, and actually take part in development himself. And so when we talk about having a design authority, Minh's going to have those quality checks, and he's going to understand the approaches and the frameworks that we should bring to bear, and we really the overall design and how things need to actually happen are so critical to these types of projects, and Minh really brings that in spades.
I edit my resume.
Intelligent, well, I didn't find it, it found me. So really early in 2012, 2013, I was working for a healthcare provider, national presence that was going through a shared services transformation. So that is kind of where RPA started to come into my world. From there, intelligent automation has really happened just from everything getting smarter, more intelligent. So the need for smarter data, better data have started to embed themselves into some of the more pure play traditional robotic process automation platforms and tools. They've become more intelligent with machine learning. Intelligent automation just happened to be the natural progression of where RPA has now has gone and now where we are.
Jeff's biggest strength is he can see the big picture better than anyone I know. Anytime that we have an engagement, he already can see based on the customer's needs and where they're at, what the final product is going to look like. I'm not talking about individual solutions. I'm talking about programmatic issues. So he can see where their organization should look like in 2 years and 3 years, and he can see the path to get from A to B. I don't think there's anyone better that I've worked with that helping the customer see that and then helping them get there.
Has there been a client issue that you two have had to tackle together?
Yes.
So as a team, when we're working with the business stakeholders, sometimes one of us will connect better with some of the personalities on the business team. We had a situation where for not really any good reason, one of the business stakeholders did not like Jeff's approach. It was Jeff's approach, which was the longer term vision, and the client was not ready to receive a long term vision. They really just wanted what they wanted, and that was it. So I took over the conversations and gave them what they wanted. And it's how we work well together, is kind of tag teaming where personalities fit. You have to read the room. Some people want the long-term vision, and some people don't.
Okay. We recognize that. And
What is the worst place you guys have grabbed lunch so far?
have grabbed lunch?
Yeah, worst place. I know
Together?
you guys try some places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was.
Okay, here's the deal. We know that to do our jobs well, we need to be well fed and nourished. And so going in, just like with any good automation project, we're going to scope it. We're going to understand where the pitfalls could be and how to avoid them.
Understand the requirements.
Requirements. We're not going to select a bad restaurant to eat at.
And if we do, well,
if it ruins a day, you can lose a lot of ground in a day if you have some bad food.
you can usually tell from the menu. In which case, we're not too proud to turn around and go to a better place.
Exactly.
Like Julia.
Yeah. If you step into a place and the vibe isn't there, the menu just doesn't look quite right.
It's like, oh, here's a hipster dive. No thanks.
It's 12:30 on a weekday, and there are too many empty seats.
Right.
What's wrong with this place? Something that everyone else knows but us. Let's get out of here.
Ketchup on the table? Like, who does that? Right.
Everybody.
Well, says this guy.
And that's why you want to call us to talk to you about your intelligent automation journey, because we bring it into everything we do, including where we select lunch.